Most people walk past these parts of the junkyard and think that they're absolutely worth nothing. Well, today I'm gonna show you how I've made hundreds of dollars personally flipping car parts that I've bought right here and resold outside. Let's get started. Now, right now, we are at Central Florida Pick and Pay, surrounded by cars. Now, some of them haven't been touched yet, like this one, nice and pretty. And then others are completely destroyed, like that one. Yeah. That is our prime example right there. This car is why you don't just walk past cars at the junkyard, because you walk past it and then the next time you come here and you need your part, where's it at? I don't see it. Never walk past that part. The part could be worth hundreds of dollars, sometimes even more than $100. And dare I say, paying $300 for an alternator, you're insane. Come to the junkyard. Now, number one, we are gonna talk about the brake booster with the master cylinder. Now that right there is gonna run you anywhere from $65 to $75. And that's with warranty. That's a pretty good price. Now, if you ask me, I've definitely paid more for brand new parts, and I have run the risk of not knowing if they fit sometimes. I don't like doing that, I'm gonna be honest. So, preferably, I personally would come here and take this one, because I know it fits on my car, because it's on a car just like mine. Now, I'm looking at the price for this here Armada, for the master cylinder and the brake booster, and honestly, I cannot believe what I'm looking at. I'm honestly in shock a little bit. The master cylinder alone is 320 bucks. And then the brake booster is another additional 650. Are you insane? You're gonna pay the price of the car? Now, after reading the prices of this part behind me right here, you can actually make like $1,000 in revenue off of just that part right there without the ABS. You buy the ABS, you're looking at another $500. That's pretty crazy. You can go buy a car with $1,500 and you're gonna buy a set of brakes? No. Come to the junkyard and make your money, guys. This is where the money's at. Now we're gonna talk about the electric steering rack. Now in here, it costs around $70, $65 tops, and that's with warranty. That's a pretty good deal. Down there, as we can see, there's an electric steering rack. We all know is one of the main components of your car. That is what powers your steering. That's what keeps you on the road, really. So let's check right here. We see $850 is what this costs online, shipped to your house. That is insane. You're making around 700 bucks, 750 bucks. That's crazy. Come get your parts from here and make your money back, because this is where the money's at. You're just missing out. So now we are looking at a Ford Escape, and this right here is the main cooling and AC components of your vehicle. This is your radiator, your condenser, and your fan. Those pretty much power the car and keep it cool. Now, why is that important? Because you're gonna spend maybe around $130, $150 over here. Yes, that sounds like a lot, but compared to $422, I think I'd rather spend the $150, honestly. And even then, I could resell that and make my money back like ×3. That's crazy. Almost a whole $300 difference for this? No. We're still in Central Florida Pick and Pay, and I have a baton, but that's not what we're talking about. We're gonna talk about windows. Now, I know a lot of you guys are thinking, why are windows so important? Well, you can see through them. It should be self-explanatory. But over here, we are looking at big panels of windows. Now outside, if you were to fix windows like this and like this on trucks and vans, you're looking to spend a couple $1,000s on just the glass alone. Not even talking about the installation. Glass is pretty expensive, but if you know how to take it out, or if you know somebody that can take it out, this is the way to go. This right here, you're only gonna spend $35, and look at how big this is. That saves you a couple $100. This piece of glass right here is maybe like 300 bucks. That's crazy. This piece of glass right here, well over 500 bucks. Let's look at how big it is. Absolutely massive. Well over 500 bucks. Over here, still 35 bucks, this big piece of glass. You're looking at almost a whole $450 in your pocket of some glass. Bro, come to the junkyard, get your money. This is where it's at right here. It's waiting for you. Now, we're still here in CFPP, just in a different spot. A little bit more beautiful spot if you ask me, but that's not the point. We're here and we're gonna tell you guys that not every weird looking part like this is gonna make you a couple $100. If it looks weird and it probably isn't worth that much, let's say it's worth $10 in here, don't expect to make $500, honestly. This junkyard is strictly educating you for what parts you should not walk past. Now, if you decide to pick up a wheel and think that you can sell one wheel for $500, I'm sorry, but it's not gonna happen. But that's not the point. The point is, I want you guys to tell me exactly what you learned from this video and what did you flip? Hey, I'ma swim with the gators. Now, anyways, I will be swimming with the gators, just not right now. Point is, I want you guys to just, matter of fact, back up a little bit. Back up a little bit, guys. I need you to smash that like button. I have not been serious enough. I need you guys to smash it just like that. Ground pound that like button. I want to see them likes go like this. Just like that, like Drake.
Where engines roar, pause for the sale of mechanics store.
Just like that. And if you guys like our videos and you guys like learning about cars and you like learning about how to make money, go ahead and just that subscribe button for me because you know you want to. That's why you should come spend your money here and go make your money with the money you just spent.